Today I thought I would check out one of the most popular leaf blowers on Amazon from Wolfman. It comes in 3 different colors, blue, yellow, and the one shown here is green. I'm always curious on some of the most popular items on Amazon to see if they're really worth it or not. It comes with 2 20-volt batteries that are 2 amp hours each, and they take about 1.5 hours to charge back up. Power is from 320 to 450, which actually sounds more realistic than a lot of the off-brand leaf blowers that I've seen. It's got 2 speeds with level 1 at 70 miles per hour and level 2 at 150 miles per hour. You get about 30 minutes of runtime on the lower speed. You can see it's got a short and long tube that you can connect together. It shows you can use this on several different things. I plan on using this to clean off grass from my mowing deck, so we'll see how that compares to the one I usually use. Nice thing is it only weighs about 3.8 pounds, so pretty lightweight. I like how the batteries have an indicator light, so you can see how much battery is left. Overall, it seems like pretty nice build quality, probably a little better than I was expecting. I like the texture on the power buttons, so it's easy to switch between the levels. You can see how the charger lights up once you put on the battery. I think this definitely feels lighter than my other off-brand leaf blower that's got 2 20-volt batteries. So yeah, the power on this is just a tad less than that one. It's not really as big of a difference between the two that I thought it would be. You can see here it blows off all the grass on my mowing deck without too much effort, which is really what I'll be using it for most of the time. And then of course, cleaning off the driveway, sidewalk, or cleaning up leaves. I think overall this leaf blower is better than I was expecting, and I can see why it's so popular on Amazon right now. I think it's definitely for light to medium duty work, but as long as you realize that going in, I think there's gonna be a lot of people surprised that the power you get, considering it's only using 1 battery at a time. Overall, I definitely think it's worth it considering the price.